Frigidaire alarms signal potential problems like food spoilage or energy waste. Common causes include a door left ajar, temperature fluctuations exceeding safe thresholds, and power failures. For door alarms, ensure the door is fully closed. This alarm activates after 5 to 10 minutes if the door remains open. Temperature alarms sound when the fridge exceeds 45 degrees Fahrenheit or freezer exceeds 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Check temperature settings to resolve. Power failure alarms beep after a blackout to indicate potential temperature fluctuations. Reset requires pressing the control panel button. To temporarily silence an alarm, locate the reset button on the control panel and press it. On newer SmartSense models, use the Frigidaire app for remote monitoring and silencing. If the alarm persists, inspect the door seals for gaps, cracks, or debris. Worn seals account for most door alarms. Replacement seals are available on Frigidaire's website. Calibrate the temperature by adjusting the control panel settings, or perform a reset by unplugging the unit for 1 to 2 minutes, then plugging it back in and holding the alarm button for 3 seconds. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the seals and ensuring proper door alignment, can prevent future alarms. Newer Frigidaire models, especially those in the Professional series, offer predictive maintenance via app notifications, reducing alarm frequency by learning user habits and preemptively adjusting temperatures. Ignoring alarms can lead to compressor failures costing $500 or more, so addressing them promptly is crucial.